recording?
Yes. And she'll be like, what are you doing? And be like, oh, I want to take a picture of your sexy face. Emily.